Hi guys, what's up? I'm again here in Bauhaus getting some wood for my small project. Idea for this project I actually got yesterday evening when I was sitting on our couch watching TV and drinking coffee. Now I'm going to glue all these 10 pieces together. These are already pretty straight and smooth and clean. It wouldn't be a problem to glue these together. I want to drill here few holes for the coffee cup or glass or something like that. I'm going to use this drill bit because I don't have anything else what I could use. I'm a little bit afraid, is this going to break? Because this is quite rough, but I'm going to try. This I have to fix. When I put this panel here, I can see this screw and I don't like it, so I will fix it with wooden plug. I accidentally made this a little bit too deep first, this slot, so now I have to use two of these plates. It's perfect. I like it. It looks very nice. It's very stable. It's quite tight fit, and that's how it should be. I can still put here my tablet with a stand if needed. I can put here a small plate if I want to eat something. It just works here. Last weekend we actually had two kids here and they were starting to watch movie. They had a small fight who can sit in this place because of this table. So that means that I have to build another one here. I mostly sit here when I'm watching TV. This one, it's going to be model 2.0, bigger, more features. Okay, that was a very nice project, quite fast. One of my fastest, I think, quite easy to make. And that's also something that you can't really buy, which will fit exactly to your couch. And that's a good thing when you make something by yourself. You can really custom made everything. I really like it. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time. Bye.